Everybody, can you hear me? Yeah, very good. Observe it here. Today, overall idea I will tell you in a Oracle database, but tomorrow onwards, regular session, I will tell you. Okay, yeah. First, observe it here. At least non-technical persons are there. Just observe it here. Oracle. Oracle 19C. What is this Oracle means? Oracle is a, just listen. Okay, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. 19 is a version number. In 1977 onwards, Oracle Corporation was released so many versions. Oracle 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 5.1, 6.0, 6.1, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7. These three versions combination is also called as 8i. Next version is 9i, next 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C, 23C. Or 19 is a version number. C means cloud technology. Nowadays, everyone knows cloud. That's why observe it here, concentrate here. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. 19 is a version number. C is a cloud technology. Okay, yeah. But what is this Oracle product? What type of product this one? This is a software product. Everyone knows. This is everyone knows. Now check it out. This is a database product. This is a database product. Now check it out. Screen observe it here. This is a Oracle 19C. Is a database product. Here, screen observe it here. Oracle database. I'm installing, already I installed Oracle database. You are also installing Oracle database in the future. I will tell you how can we install a Oracle database. Don't worry. This is a Oracle database. Oracle is a database product. What is the purpose of database products? Everyone knows. To store data permanently. To store data permanently, not temporarily. Today, we are storing about your company information. Then that information is used in a different types of front end up anywhere also. But that is permanent. Once today we are storing means after 1,000 years also data is available. We are not available also, data is available permanently. To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. That is everyone knows. Okay, yeah. That's why first observe here, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. That is a popular product. What type of product that one? Database product. What is the purpose of database product? To store data permanently. Okay, fine. Now this data we are using in a way in a front-end application. So nowadays, so many examples without database, there is no software products that much powerful. Suppose every banking application also data stored in a centralized place is required. Your account number in a computerized system, your account name of the account holder, balance, these are all the things. Whenever you are purchasing what items through online shopping portals, either Amazon or Flipkart, just you product, whatever order you are booking a what, some item, those your order number is automatically generated in a parcel. How it will be generated means compulsory database. Suppose any festivals are coming, then offers they are providing means 20%, 30%. How it is possible? From the database only the data is visible in our end user side. But this database is not visible to the end user. Customers doesn't know. But here database professionals are required for operating our data efficiently. How means we are learning in our classes. Don't worry. Now observe it here. Okay, database means to store data permanently. Okay, na? Yeah. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Up to this one, everyone knows maybe, but unfortunately, here onwards, different. Suppose screen observe it. Screen observe it. Very interesting. Suppose I am also, you are also thinking what we are thinking. Or maybe I'm installing, you are installing a Oracle software. That is a DBMS software. Don't worry. Oracle software we are installing. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically one place is reserved in a disk only. This is called a database. We are thinking, okay, I'm agree. Database is a place where we can store a data. Okay, I'm agree. And now observe here, where First time newcomer mistaken means, observe it here. Whenever I'm installing a what? Observe here. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, automatically some place is reserved in a disk. Okay, I'm agree. But unfortunately, I try to store any data in this database. Possible or not possible? I try to store random collection of data in this database. Possible or not possible? Very good. One fellow is telling, great. Impossible. We cannot store random collection of data in these type of databases. These type of databases means Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Postgres. These databases are different. These database softwares are implemented. One of the concept is there. Relational data model is a concept is there in a feature. Don't worry. That's why these database products are only stores a structured collection of data, not a random collection of data. Observe here, these database softwares only stores a what? A structured collection of data. Organized fashion only data is storing. So now here, organized fashion only data is storing, then only now here we are operating this data, otherwise impossible. Here Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, these all database softwares only stores a what? Structured collection of data. Maybe you are a Java developer, you are a Python developer, you have an idea. Table format only, because EF code introduced a what? Relational data model. That's why he is a mathematician actually. That's why he's representing the data in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns. You have an idea? Meaning mathematics. Yes. Same representation is there in a table format. Because he is a mathematician, that's why same representation they are providing only. He is providing only. Now observe here. This is a structured collection of data. Always these databases stores a what? A structured collection of data. Structured collection of data, not a random collection of data. MongoDB is different. That is a NoSQL database through we are operating only. That is different only, unstructured. That key value pairs only. But here, this is Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL. These databases stores a what? Structured collection of data. Keep it in mind, this one. These databases stores a what? Which one? Which type of data? Structured collection of data. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Once a structured collection of data is there, you are also operating a what? This data by using a what? One universal language is there. What is that language? What is that language? Anybody having idea? Very good. SQL is a language. Structured query language. By using this SQL language, we are operating a what? Data in this database. Okay, what is that SQL also we are learning. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose really this is correct or not. First, non-technical person by slowly I am telling only, just observe it here. Suppose really Oracle database, SQL Server database, these databases store structured collection of data. Yes. Suppose table formats only there. Yes. That's why any non-technical persons also learning what these database softwares very easy. And now check it out. Now observe it here. How it is useful? Where is that one? That is later. Just observe it here. Now, this is a table format only. One table is there. For example, Oracle Corporation provided example tables of these. Okay, so now here in this software, pre-trial software side, don't worry. Now check it out. EMP table they are providing. Same like this one, you are also creating a tables in a feature. Now in this table, maybe employee information is available. In this table, just observe it here. Employee number, e-name, job, MGR, hire date. These are called columns. Again, these are called here, some data is there here, 7369, Smith is an employee, his job is clerk, his manager is 702, his joining date is 17th December 1980, he is getting a salary. This is called a row, same like a matrix row, this is called a data, row only, row. But these type of tables, anybody observing means this is a structured collection of data. You are also given the guarantee structured collection of data means simple technique is there. Just observe it here. In this employee number column, only numbers are there. Just observe it here. Only numbers are available or not? Yes. Again, in this e-name column, only data, now strings are available. Observe it here. Only strings are available. Again, in this higher date column, only dates are available. Observe it here. This is called structured collection of data. And now observe it here, Oracle Corporation giving, observe it here. Now this is a table is there. Yes, here. In this table, DEPT table, here department number, D name, location is there. These tables also you are familiar in a future. I will tell you one of these days. Here department number column, only numbers are available. D name column, only strings are there. Location column, only strings are available or not. This database is nothing but a what? Collection of table formats only there or not? Yes. Why means later you are familiar relational data model, some concept. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. First, non-technical person. Anybody doesn't know anything means just slowly observe it here. Suppose this is a data is there. You are also joining in a software company side. In this database side, we are working. Observe it here. We are professionals. We are working means, suppose my manager asking, I am working in a company, this one. Murali, New York is a location is there. My name is Murali. New York is a location is there. Just change this location name New York into where? Hyderabad, they are asking. Within fraction of second, I will change a what this one. How means SQL is a language is there. Observe it here. SQL, structured query language. If you want to operate this data here, we are using a what? Which language? SQL language. Tomorrow onwards, we are learning a what? That language also. Don't worry. And now check it out. Concentrate. I am a good SQL programmer means just only one only one line of coding. I am typing only. Update. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Fastly, I will tell you. Just dbt set. Here location is equal to Hyderabad, where location is equal to where, okay, something only. Okay, don't worry. These are all the things you are familiar in a future. Now check it out. Here I'm typing a what? One command only. This command is also called as which one? SQL language, structured query language command. This is a non-procedural language. Suppose C language, Java, these type of languages having a loops are there, variables are there, so many things are there. That is called procedural languages or object-oriented languages. That is a lengthy programs. But this is a SQL is a non-procedural language. Only one or two lines of coding, I think. Okay, so now you are familiar in a future that's coding also. That's why NA, okay, so now 10th standards, okay, so so many countryside, okay, 6th standards, 7th standards also, they are providing award this SQL language. Because technology like that updated. And now here observe it here. Now check it out. Because anybody also easy learning, because very easy. And now observe it here. Once I'm typing that one, automatically, yes, this will be changing or not. Hyderabad here, okay, New York location. I am typing a what something only. Then I'm a database programmer means I know the SQL language. In a future, you are also very good knowledge in a very SQL. I will tell you. I'm an experienced person. I will tell you most of the time very easy way how you are writing the queries. Some techniques I'm providing only. Through that one, easily you are writing only. That is very helpful in a Java, .NET, Python. Any type of interview side also, interviewer asking, write a query to display ante salary employee, write a query to delete duplicate rows, write a query to display secondary salary employee. Why they are asking? Minimum knowledge is required in a database. That's why these free classes I'm providing only. And now check it out. Observe it here. Observe it here. This knowledge is very helpful. Up to subqueries you are learning also. You are attending an interview very easy. And now here, check it out. Okay, once you are learning a course means you are understandable how much easy, how much interesting. And now first time newcomer purpose, this small comments I'm telling. Here Hyderabad is the location changing or not? Yes. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Only changing a data purpose only this type of SQL language? No. Processing the data purpose, operation we are performing. Suppose, for example, in my project, so many classes I'm teaching daily. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. For example, in my project side, 1 minute only. Just observe here. This is a table is there in a previous classes. Tables are there. Don't write it. Okay, just observe here. Item is a table is there. For example, table format only data is there or not? Suppose year, month, and the product and the sales is there, easily understandable. Suppose observation here in August month, one of the company TV is a product they are selling only 10 sales. For example, August month laptop 20 sales. Again, August month ACs 30 they're selling only. Okay, for example, okay, yeah, small thing. Again in a September month, same company, your company, for example, TV 20, and September month laptops they're selling only 30. Again, September month ACs, they're selling a what? Which one? 40. And now suppose, for example, this a table is there, for example, this table data using an aware front-end, Java, Python, these type of application, don't worry. But first observe it here. This is a table is there, for example. Now, I am a database programmer. You are a database programmer, company side, software company side. We are a good professionals. You are joining in a company. Okay, now, for example, suddenly your manager asking, yes, what are the total sales are available in August and September total sales? Okay, so now I want to produce a report. They are asking. Observe here. How much beautiful. Suppose total sales manually calculate. Anybody? 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40. Totally how much? Anybody good at mathematics? 150. Okay, yeah. Suppose I try to display this 150 is a total sales means just observe it here. I observe it here. You are a database programmer means SQL language you are good in a future. Just select, don't write it, sum of sales. Here, some group function only. Don't worry. And now here, yes, we are typing like this. And now here, now for example, and now here from item. So many fellows are good at this one, I think. One line of coding I'm typing means this is called SQL coding. Yes, this is operate and some report it will be producing, 150 is a sales. But here, 6 rows are there. I'm calculating, okay. But suppose 1 lakh records are there, you are calculating manually, very difficult or not? Yes, that's why by using this language command, just we are typing out what this command means, automatically total sales. The same thing we are writing in a back end this coding, and the front end side, some buttons are there. Total is a button in a Java side. You are clicking this one means this query is executed from this table. Automatically, this is displayed in a where front end application are not that much beautiful. But this query writing programmers are required. That's why database professionals are required in a company side. Suppose 1 minute observe here, not only modifying the data, processing data. Okay, 150 sales is there. Suppose suddenly they're asking what? I don't want this report only in a Java side, Python side, in a front-end application side. I want to display this total sales along with these columns display also. I want this report. They're asking your manager. Suppose you are a good professional means just observe it here. You are a SQL programmer means just along with this group function, you are trying to display all the columns like this. It won't work. It won't work. Now, this is so many fellows doesn't know. Just observe it here. All the columns I try to display. Okay, yes. Along with this is called sum is a group function. I try to display. It won't work. Impossible. This is nobody knows actually. Friend, Java, Python developers doesn't know. That's why these type of things we are learning in a future. Suppose you want to display this group function, sum, average, max, min, these are called group functions or aggregate functions in every database. If you want to display that group functions along with all the columns means just we are converting these group functions into where analytical functions or window functions. In a future, what is window functions in a subquery chapter side, I will tell you. Just you are a good professional, you are converting this group function into analytical or window function means over is a class we are using. Simple. Suppose you are also good at what? These all the things. You are learning a SQL language in any database, either MySQL, either SQL Server, either Oracle, anywhere also in a universal concept. That's why this knowledge is very helpful in a future. Yes, automatically working. That much of powerful. Observe here. Yes, total sales automatically 150. Yes, it will display the report or not. I don't know, you don't know. This concept means how you are producing the reports. Impossible. Simple technique. Just, oh, what is going on? You have an idea means that's why you are learning what? Good technology always. And now observe it here. Suppose they're asking what? Okay, so now here manager asking only, Murali, okay, each August month sales and September month sales also I want in a where. Suppose here 30 plus 20 plus 10, how much? 60, 60. Here September sales 40. 60, 90. And now here this each month sales I want to display, they're asking. Then you are a good professional. Just here in a over class, partition by is a class is there. Okay, in a database. Just we are typing a what? Partition by. And now here month-wise partition like this. Now automatically displayed. Yes, how much beautiful. Observe it here. Yes. August month of sales 60. Again, here now here September month sales here 90. It will display or not? Yes. That's why according to a client requirement, we are generating the reports, we are processing the data. These commands are also called as which language, which language, which language? SQL language. This is called structured query language. One of these days you are very good knowledge only. Okay, yeah. Okay, these are all the things not required today. Just observe it here. If you want to perform some operations in this this relational database, Oracle SQL Server, one universal language is there. What is that language? What is that language? Anybody tell me? Yes, very good. What is that language? SQL is a language. Up to that one, everyone knows, I think. But unfortunately, screen observe it. Screen observe it. Very important, very interesting. Not only SQL language. If you want to operate a Oracle database data, then we are using another language. What is that one means? PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. What is that one? I will tell you. Suppose same like a Java, same like a C language, loops are available, control statements, conditional statements. We are controlling the flow only. Anybody Java developers are well-known persons in a stored procedures, you have an idea? Maybe some Java developers are there in that class only. Those stored procedures where we are writing here PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. Procedural language concepts we are embedded in SQL. That's why Oracle is a database. Okay, I'm agree. But this database data we are operating means which languages we are using. One is SQL language. This is a non-procedural language. That is structured query language, very easiest language anybody can learn. But some advanced extension of the SQL language, procedural language concepts they are embedded, that is called PLSQL. These two languages you are good. By using these two languages, we are operating a data in this Oracle database. That is important. And now here, now check it out. Observe it here. Okay, yeah. So this is one of these days I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Terminology. Not only SQL and PLSQL, you are good at what? Yes, in a professional way, dynamic SQL is another language is there. That is, you don't know also, not a problem. Not a biggest problem. Okay, yeah. Now observe it here. Concentrate here. These three languages you are good means you are operating our data in a where? Beautiful concepts only. But I don't know dynamic SQL, you don't know dynamic SQL, not a problem. I'm agree, don't worry. And now here, because extension of this some 1 or 2 days, we are learning only this one also. That's why these three languages, you are good means you are operating a data in a where? Which database? Oracle database. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. One fellow Umesh, thank you so much. Okay, okay, Umesh telling only I'm your old student in 2018. Cap Gemini. Okay, very good. All the best. Okay, yeah. And now check it out. Observe it here. That's a 2010 onwards. I'm in teaching field only. Okay, because of some problems again. In 2010 before I'm working as a PLSQL developer. That's why I'm very good knowledge in a PLSQL, but utilize this knowledge only. Just some concepts very clearly, very useful way. I will tell you. Okay, yeah. And now check it out. SQL, PLSQL, and dynamic SQL. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Up to this one, little bit of idea, but unfortunately, in SQL language, SQL structured query language, we are learning what some concepts only. Don't write it, just observe it here. In SQL language, maybe in a technical persons are there, observe it here. Main concepts are there. One is joins. You must familiar, mandatory. In a Java, .NET, Python, these type of programmers also, a little bit of knowledge is required in a joins. Joins means nothing is there, retrieve data from multiple tables. Suppose maybe in a Java developers, .NET, Python developers are left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, maybe names, they have an idea, no? Yeah, those type of things we are learning. Again, once joins main chapters only. So many chapters are there, but observe it here. Just terminology purpose I'm typing. Here constraints we are learning only. Constraints means primary key, foreign key, check, unique, not null. So many things are there. Again, not only that one, very important chapter in every database here, subqueries. Subqueries means query within another query. query within another query. Big select statement. Write a query to salary employee. Write a query to delete duplicate rows. Interviewer asking some questions, how those things are working. What is correlated subqueries? What is non-correlated subqueries? What is lag? What is lead? What is rank? Dense underscore rank? Row underscore. So many things are there. Okay, queries. That's why here in every database SQL language side joins constraint subqueries you must familiar. But this chapter, especially I think Java, .NET, Python, these type of programmer side, subqueries knowledge is very helpful and joins knowledge is very helpful. Again, in a PLSQL main concept, so many concepts are there. Just observe it here. In a PLSQL, we are learning a main concept. Procedural language extension for SQL means cursors are there. Okay, some exceptions are there. But compared to those, all the things, stored procedures, you must familiar. Stored procedures, Java, .NET, Python, developers must familiar. Stored procedures. Very, very important. Stored procedures, stored function packages, triggers, so many things are there in this PLSQL language side. Which one is important? Stored procedures are very important. Okay, maybe some free classes, means some Java, .NET, Python, these type of programmers are attending. That's why those persons' point of view I'm telling. Now, for example, my regular classes side, 1 minute only. Suppose so many my students are, I'm a really PLSQL developer. That's why so many fellows are in the olden days, they are learning a lot from me, SQL and little bit of thing, and PLSQL strongly they are learning, and they are well settled as a PLSQL developers, because depth I told, okay, in the olden days. Okay, observe it here. Okay, just observe it here. PLSQL means PLSQL introduction is there. Cursor is some concept is there, don't worry. Exceptions means try, catch, throw, finally something. And now stored procedures, something is there. But this chapter is very important for Java, .NET, Python, all the programmer side. In mode, out mode, in out mode. Here stored functions are there, triggers are there. Here packages. Up to this one, just normally idea purpose we are learning also not a problem. But we are applying a job for PLS for developer job means these type of things I'm designing. Types are used in packages. Collections are there. Index per table, nested table, VRI, performance tuning concept is there, bulk bind only. Here, the Java developers in a stored procedure, they are passing the out inner parameter, if cursors, in a local subprograms, UTL file, external table, SQL loader. These are advanced. Okay, yeah, these type of things are there. So much of things are there. Don't worry. Okay, some syllabus through we are learning. Okay, that's why. Just observe it here. In a strong side, very easy. Only one of the stage here. These type of things we are learning in the future. DDL. Okay, DML, don't worry. Okay, just roughly I'm showing only. Yes, what we are learning in our course, TCL, DCL, this knowledge is very helpful. Okay, yeah, data type, so many things are there. Don't worry. Here, once you are good at what some commands, I will tell you, don't worry, the confident level way. I'm telling, then main concepts we are starting one of the stages. Okay, group by how we are writing, having how we are writing, and these type of common concepts only. First, minimum basic. Okay, you are good at what these type of select statement you are writing means confidence level is different. Once you are good at what those things, then only we are learning what these type of main chapters in a job. SQL joins here, left outer, right outer, full outer, something or not here. In a kind of summary, so many things are there advanced here. And now here, actually, so many fellows are 1 minute. Real time they are working means they have code case statements. Regular expressions, if you have an idea, maybe Java type Python, those is also really very easy way. My family, those things are yeah, observe here. Yes, Oracle 10G on what these type of advanced concept. This knowledge is very helpful in a Java side, Python side, Unix side, because common regular expressions are. That is Oracle 10G onwards, Oracle also there. Okay. What are what classes question marks through how we are operating our data. Very easily you remember. Again, email validation. Okay, the one card validation. Very easy experience thing. Now Aadhaar validation nowadays in India side. Again, phone number validation. Those type of things we are learning means confidence is different. Oh, in anything also you're easy way. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Actually, what is sir? Okay, I'm learning a course. I'm new to this one. Okay, yeah. But what type of we are applying what through this course on? Yes, so many types are there. Very, very useful this course, especially so many type of different persons. Fast I will tell you, just 5 minutes only, because one fellow is asking. Now observe it. 5 minutes list. Yeah, observe it here. Newcomers, no. Yeah. And check it out. For example, observe. So what course you are learning? What type of some employees are using a what this Oracle means? First, just out here. Python you are learning, Java you are learning, PHP you are learning. This type of courses who are where 2000, maybe later 2025, 2004, these type of passed outs. No, those persons are interested to learn a web-based application. Because these are the courses, Python, Java, PHP. This type of applications, 80% of this case, they're learning these courses means web-based application development purpose they are using. But these persons compulsory, mandatory to learn a what in a database. But Oracle, I am preferring only Oracle. Why? Because it's Java one is JDBC project is there. In that one, students they are learning using only in our time projects how we are operating. Compulsory minimum basic, at least basic knowledge SQL is required. That's why these persons are not once a case only SQL joins subquery chapter and also PL. They are learning man of these persons are compulsory. They are basic aware this database. That's why so many fellows society. Again, not only those type of persons only knowledge, but some fellows are struggling. So not struggling in a way coding. I'm not interested in Python. I'm not interested in aware Java. I'm not interested in PHP. But I want software job. But the job I want, they're asking me is what years gap is there. For example, okay, maybe gap is there. For example, you made a fake, not a problem. Those also are there. This course learning means here PLSQL developers also there. Okay, but PL I'm good. I'm not good at PLSQL. What is working? PLSQL course content reviews or anything you are learning me trying a PLSQL course now, especially my concepts. That's why in Google you are typing about PLSQL developer. I language people of fellows are not problem. They are there because less PLSQL developers are there in a worldwide. Again, not only that one, yes, this course basic knowledge is required in ETL technology is there. One of these staging is there. This type of OLTP, LAP, something in a company side. That one source tools are required. That automation loading. Yeah, in developer for a tool. TAD is the latest tool. Olden days. Type of very easy geographic tools where in a worldwide in a wish. That is called ETL tool. But those persons basic required in person handling projects. So this course is helping this type of person. Business analysts are there. Once staging area data for programmers are putting to their learning to server our data learning server programmer. This also what basic skill. Language. What is SQL? What is will tell you. But first observe here. Again, some are working aware working as ERP there. That is very good. Only old programmers are there. Those persons have strong knowledge in a PS like in aware apps. That this knowledge is very helpful. Some few test programmer. I am interested in I want coding. Pretty easy job. I want to be knowledge. You have an idea. Like this one is getting a company side. Yes, those also learning what these type of knowledge. I will tell you, but suppose some big data media. Nowadays, has a role, but jobs are there. Say measure AI.